Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys don't know already, my name is Jessica and I make a whole bunch of random videos. I do vlogs, challenges, and a whole bunch of other things in between hauls. So today I felt like showing you guys one of my passions, something really near and dear to my heart. I have an obsession with Trader Joe's. I feel like I've been shopping there with my family ever since like high school. I feel like 8 years ago. Oh my god, yeah, 8 years ago, because I started in fall 2011 for freshman year of high school. I feel like I've been shopping there more independently ever since I went to college and moved into an apartment with my friends. I always want to show you guys my current favorites for Trader Joe's and what I've been loving so far. I feel like I love pretty much everything there, but there's a couple key things I always get every time I go. So if you guys haven't already, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. The button is down below. Make sure you hit that so you can support a girl. And if you guys haven't already, please check out my Instagram. It's at whyhellojessica. Literally all my social media stuff is all whyhellojessica. So I've been grinding, I've been posting a bunch of videos and just really challenging myself. Before I start sharing my current favorites at Trader Joe's, I want to give a disclaimer that I don't have an obsession with cauliflower. I just gotta leave it out there because you'll see why. I just realized that pretty much everything that I like from Trader Joe's is cauliflower related. Anything cauliflower or cauliflower-ish. I'm just keeping it out there, okay? Just trust me. Since we're talking about cauliflower, I'm gonna start right here first. So this is what I'm loving. It's Trader Ming's Kung Pao tempura cauliflower, and it is so freaking good. I stumbled upon this because I usually get the orange Mandarin chicken from the frozen aisle, and right next to it, it was a tempura cauliflower version. For the past 2 years, I've been trying to cut down on my meat consumption. You know, I'm not perfect. You know, I will crave like sushi or Korean barbecue. And if there's an option for me to not eat meat and eat like a substitute version, like cauliflower version, I would go for that. I used to eat this all the time back in my loft with my roommates. The thing is, I highly recommend if you use an oven to bake it and defrost it and everything, because it's really good when you have that crunch, the sauce. Ooh, so good. So the reason why I highly recommend using the oven, because for the oven in my apartment, it takes 40 minutes to preheat, not even to bake this. I think how long is this? 20 to 25 minutes. I have like zero patience, and you know, you girl gotta study and homework, all that stuff. So I would just warm it on the pan, like pan fry it. I mean, that works too, but I feel like putting it in the oven makes it even better. A little green beans and butter and garlic to the green beans with rice. Oh, yes, honey, that is the move. So I highly recommend this. This is my favorite. I love her. And it wasn't too expensive. As you can see, that most of my things are frozen because college student, don't have time, not have a lot of money, not enough time to prepare. Just a little more disclaimers out there, okay? I know frozen food is not that healthy, but these are my favorites. The frozen section in Trader Joe's is poppin'. That's where it's at. You know, don't sleep on the frozen section. So the next thing, my roommates can vouch for me, I love cauliflower rice. You know, I'm Asian, I love my rice, I love my jasmine rice. I eat brown rice once in a while. You know, it's not my favorite, but this, organic rice cauliflower. Oh my gosh, this is a lifesaver. If you want to come back on carbs, I mean, I'm not recommending like you cut out carbs out of your diet or anything, but I'm just saying if you want to watch your carb intake, if you're counting macros and stuff, I feel like this is really good substitute for rice. And I actually really like it. You know, I get lazy and put it in the microwave and defrost it there, but it's not as good as you warm it up in the pot. I think that's what they recommended, like stovetop, because it usually gets really fluffy, like a really rice consistency. Hence why it says riced cauliflower. So yeah, that is really good. And if you want to try something other than brown rice or quinoa and stuff, I really like rice cauliflower. So if I eat these two together, it works. You know, I mean, or I can do rice, either or, but these two together, they're a good package too. I love. And by the way, I bring a reusable bag to Trader Joe's. Like the paper bag is cool and whatnot. I usually stacked up my car with reusable bags and they're much cuter. I got this one from Hawaii at the ABC store. It's so cute. I have like a Hello Kitty one, so I always like come in with my like Hawaii reusable bags and they're awesome. I've been loving Trader Joe's gnocchi recently. Hopefully I'm saying that right, you know. No, gnocchi. Let me just look it up real quick. Gnocchi. Okay, so anyway, so that's what I've been loving so far. I like the white sauce one. I'll just put pictures. The white sauce one, the marinara sauce one. But what I've been loving recently, oh my god, guess what? You guessed it. Cauliflower gnocchi. Oh my god, game changer. Love, love, love this. I mean, I love pasta. My guilty pleasure is either ramen or pasta, and I love pasta. I love gnocchi so much. This is so good. You have to make it correctly in order to make it taste good. So I follow the directions in the back, which says add a 4th cup of water, and I find that is too much, and I literally made my gnocchi so soggy. You know, we don't like a soggy gnocchi. We like it firm and crispy. So I think I read online, I think you guys can look it up, they suggested like use only like a tablespoon of water and that's it. Heat up in the pan, add some oil or butter or whatever, add a teaspoon of water and let it cook on each side for like 5 to 10 minutes and it gets all crispy. As you can see in the picture, all crispy on the side, and oh my god, so good. Eat this by itself. And I usually sometimes would add the beefless ground beef. I was looking for it today at Trader Joe's, but they ran out. And I've been trying to look for the beefless beef for so long now. This is what the packaging looks like. If you guys haven't tried it already, it's absolutely one of my favorites. It's so good. It tastes pretty much like ground beef, but just knowing that it's not actual meat makes me feel better, and just being more sustainable and being more aware of what we're eating and stuff like that. Recently, I tried this out. I love experimenting new foods. I tried this and a pasta sauce that they have. The one I'm currently working on is the organic vodka sauce with this. This is also from Trader Joe's. So good. Like, make sure you get like a nice crisp on these on the pan, and then put this in and warm it up. Oh, bomb. Another package deal. But any other sauce that you like will go well with this, or eat it plain like with butter and like add some vegetables on the side. The beefless ground beef, you know, with this. Oh, so good. Oh. Alright, so I feel like we have come to an end with another cauliflower item that I've been loving so far. The rice cauliflower bowls. I literally just found this out last week when I was at Trader Joe's, and how come no one told me about it? I love rice cauliflower. You know, we can't forget about her, the OG. Oh, speaking of this frozen rice cauliflower, in the fresh vegetable section, they have the raw version of this, like the non-frozen version of rice cauliflower. You know me, I like to get things quick and easy and fast. Just warming this up, it's a lot faster than boiling it, straining it, and all that other stuff. What caught my eye is that it says rice cauliflower, and I love rice cauliflower. I love cauliflower rice. This says vegan, and which really intrigued me because although I still eat meat and stuff, I'm still on the path of becoming vegan. I know I see myself becoming vegan later on in my life. I really want to transition myself slowly into veganism, and plus I want to be more cruelty free because obviously, like, I have a bunny named Chester. I have a pillow. He's sleeping right now, but my bunny Chester, he's a Howlin' Lab, and I really am against cruelty testing and testing on rabbits. Like, I have a rabbit, so why would I support companies? Okay, I could go on about that, but let's just backtrack. So basically, I got this rice cauliflower bowl, and other than it has rice cauliflower, it has tofu, and I love tofu. It's marinated chickpeas, sweet potatoes, and roasted onions. I highly recommend this. This is so yummy. It's super filling, and if you guys want to try something new, like super quick and easy meals, just pop it in the microwave and eat it right away if you're in a rush. Highly check it out. I love it. So good. And the packaging is so cute. The little blue. Last summer, I kind of dabbled into the acai bowl making phase. Like, I put on my Instagram stories. I'll put it here. And ever since summer started for me, summer started in May, and I literally ate acai bowls every single day, 5 times a week since May and now. For me, I'm the type of person who doesn't like to eat the same things every single day because I can eat it every other day, but back to back, I can't. But Acai bowls are a whole different story. Acai bowl packets are usually quite expensive because it's considered like a superfood, and acai berries, you know how that goes. But once Trader Joe's came out with this, I believe like last year or something, they came out with these acai packets. Oh my god. It comes with 4 and it comes in a decent price. I forgot how much it was. I literally go back to Trader Joe's weekly to get more of these. I love these so much, and comment down below if you want me to post my recipes, because with this, oh my goodness, it's so good. I usually add other frozen fruits, and when I make my acai bowls, I take it so seriously. I have like coconut bowls that I put them in that I only eat out of because I'm that extra. It makes me feel like I'm on vacation. I usually don't brag about anything, but I feel like my acais are pretty dang good. Other like acai places, when you have it and take a picture, by that time, that 2-second span, all your acai is melted. It's watery. Usually when I make it like an ice cream consistency where it's like super thick and creamy and doesn't melt right away, so when you eat it, it's like not soupy, you know what I mean? Hopefully. So speaking of acai bowls, what I like to top it with is like strawberries and bananas. I usually kind of top it the same way because, you know, we got limited resources here, you know, we're very limited. And since I'm allergic to mangoes, I can't put mangoes in the blend, or I can't top it off with mangoes, so yeah, so I'm kind of limited to like strawberry, bananas, blueberries, all the other berries basically. So what I like to top it off was this. I'm currently in my acai bowl phase right now, so I'm looking at the granola aisle and I saw this. This is the peanut butter protein granola, and every opportunity for me to increase my protein intake, I'll take it. So this has 11 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty good. I love granola, but sometimes it gets kind of dry, kind of like flaky. If you like peanut butter, I'm sorry for people who are allergic to peanuts and nuts. You know who you are. I'm so sorry, but this is so good. If you have the opportunity to try this out. These two together, help with your favorite fruits and honey or agave. Ooh, bomb. I love this so much. I can literally eat the whole bag in one sitting. My acai. I love the crunch with it, and it's like not too sweet, and it's not too bland or too chalky that like a protein can make it taste. I cannot end this video off without talking about the Trader Joe's cookies. These go by literally less than a day at my house, and especially when Jake comes over, oh my god, bye-bye. Fresh at the store, gone by the next hour. It's so good. I feel like it's not as sweet as the other brands, but if you guys haven't tried these yet, these are the chocolate chip cookie dough. They're so good. I always stop by and grab these on the way out. So now I'm gonna talk about the little random things that I've been loving. I transitioned from cow's milk to almond milk for like at least 2 years now. I'm like a one-stop shop type of person. I don't like to run around and go different places for different things, but I've been liking the almond milk beverage, unsweet and original from Trader Joe's. It's good to me. I like it, and I like to add it to my acai. I'm serious, I'm down to make a video. I'm like, why am I hitting you? If you guys are down for a video of me making my acais, the different types I do, please comment it down below. So just let me know, you know, if you're on the same page with me. I also tried the coconut milk, and it's pretty good too. And as for like condiments and sauces, I can't forget those. We gotta be well-rounded. Not everything that I like is cauliflower, okay? So what I've been really loving to use is spices and expanding my flavor profile. What I've been liking to add is the seasoning salt, which is an all-purpose savory seasoning, and it's so good. If things need to be seasoned like vegetables or eggs or something savory, and add a little dash of this, oh my god, so good. You can't go wrong with this, which is all-purpose savory seasoning, and I really like it. So another thing that Trader Joe's have that really caught my eye, and I've tried it and it's super good, it is the organic coconut aminos, which is like a substitute to soy sauce. I'm Asian, you know, I know my soy sauces, but if you want to try something new, try this. Saute it with like a stir fry or mushrooms. I don't know, this is what adulting feels like, but I love watching grocery hauls and grocery favorites. I don't know if you guys can relate to it. Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, I don't know, is this like an adulting thing? Because I love food, I love grocery shopping. I feel like it's fun to find new things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like watching that too, or is it kind of just me? I like knowing what people buy at the stores that I usually go to, so I thought you guys would like these type of videos too. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to see you. Bunny family, we're very welcoming. We love everybody. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and see you next time. Bye.
Play my role, what you hold, little boy best don't reach. Yo, shit dirt, you get curved. I just saw and reap with that ease, hella clean.